guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make these chocolate chip cookies. No funny ingredients, no chilling time, just a simple straightforward recipe. With a texture that is slightly crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside, it's the best chocolate chip cookie. Now let's get to the recipe. In a big bowl, add all the dry ingredients together. First up, I'm adding 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a half teaspoon of baking powder, and add half teaspoon of salt. Now these are all the dry ingredients. Mix all of them together until combined. This recipe will make around 36 cookies. Set this bowl aside, and in another bowl, add 230 grams of softened butter, along with 1 cup of white sugar, and 1 cup of brown sugar. Cream together butter and sugar until combined. Scrape down the sides if needed. Crack in 2 large eggs with 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Beaten eggs and vanilla until fluffy. That's all for the wet ingredients. Now add the dry ingredients in batches until combined. If you missed any of the ingredients, don't worry because I'll put all the ingredients down below in the description box, so make sure you check them out later. You can also freeze the cookie dough. All you have to do is roll the dough into balls and place them on a baking sheet. Then freeze for about 30 minutes. Then transfer the cooking dough balls to an airtight container and freeze for up to 2 months. When baking, bake for about 15 minutes. Add 1 cup of chocolate chips. So over here I use chocolate chips and chocolate chunks. You can use any type of chocolate you like. You can also add another cup in if you like. The chocolate chip cookie dough should be easy to roll and not sticky. It should not be dry or crumbly. Roll 2 to 3 tablespoons of dough at a time into balls and place them evenly spaced on your prepared cookie sheets. I'm adding some extra chocolate chips to go on the top. Once this is done, you can bake the cookies in the preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 8 to 10 minutes. Take them out when they're just barely starting to turn brown and let them sit on a baking pan for 2 minutes before removing to cooling rack. You can store these chocolate chip cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days or in a freezer for up to 2 months. These cookies are incredibly delicious, and the recipe is super duper easy and straightforward. The texture of the cookie is slightly crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside, which is the best chocolate chip cookie ever. And I love this cookie and I know you will too, so I hope you guys try it out. And if you guys like this recipe, hope you guys give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell down below to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week.